Welcome viewers, today I will show you how to make beef biryani. You will need 1 kg boneless beef, 1 tablespoon garlic and ginger paste. This is a really easy recipe and you guys must give it a try. And so now we will add 2 teaspoons salt. If you guys do not want to use beef, you guys can use chicken or lamb instead. Now we will add 2 teaspoons cumin powder, also known as zira powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, now we will add 2 teaspoons coriander powder and 1 teaspoon black pepper, 2 tablespoons of biryani masala also, and fried onions 1 cup. Now make sure to mix this well. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and click the notification button so you guys can get updated whenever I upload a new video. And please remember to like this video and share it with family and friends. Now in a large pan, we will add half a cup oil. Then we will add the marinated beef. We are going to cook the marinated beef. After you have added the beef, now cook it. After you have stir-fried the beef a little bit, then we will add 3 cups of water so that the beef can get nice and cooked. Add enough water, just enough so that the beef is covered a little bit, like shown. Now we will cover the beef and let it cook. In another pan, we added some water because we're going to boil the rice. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt to taste. After you have added the salt, then you guys can add some whole spices. We're adding a bay leaf and some other spices for taste. It's optional, you guys don't have to, but we are adding it so the rice can have a nice taste. Now that our beef is starting to cook, it's cooked, we will add 3 tomato paste. 3 to 4 tablespoons of tomato paste. We are adding 3 ice cubes of tomato paste, but you guys can add regular tomato paste. Now, we are going to add 1 cup yogurt for taste and mix this well with the beef stew. Now we will add 3 medium-sized cut potatoes, and we will cook that with our stew. So the water is starting to boil, and now we will half cook the rice. We will not fully cook it, half cook it. After, when the rice is nice and cooked, halfway cooked, then we will add layers of rice and beef. First, we're adding our beef stew. We will add that, and we'll add also some beef meat too, and then we will add the rice on top like a pattern. Keep on repeating this process like shown. Now you guys can add some lemon slices and some coriander and green chili for flavor. Also add some mint too, just for some nice flavor. And now we will add 2 layers of rice and beef gravy. We're also adding some food color so it can look nice and colorful. If you guys want, you can also add saffron too. Slightly mix this and then cover it and cook it for 20 minutes on a simmer. Comment down below what biryani recipe we should make next. Chicken biryani, lamb biryani, or fish biryani. Comment down below and we'll make that recipe for you. Thank you guys so much for watching our video. And now the biryani is ready and you guys can serve it however you guys like. I hope you guys learned something new today. Thanks for watching. Bye.